If you've been using Microsoft 365 apps like Word, PowerPoint, and even OneNote, you've been using them to get everything you need in place for those final exams. But now they're here. So let me show you the new AI features that make it easier to study and prepare for those exams. Copilot in Microsoft 365 has brought some AI features that make final exam preparations easier. Now, this might not sound exciting, but neither is spending hours summarizing your notes, compiling documents, and organizing a year's worth of essays for all of your classes. But having an AI assistant to help you consolidate what's important will save you time. You can get some real quality study time in and get back to what you really want to be doing. Let's talk about OneNote, because behind every successful exam is good note-taking, whether that be voice transcriptions, typing, or handwriting. OneNote makes it easier to capture what you need to focus on, including those important points that you can review later. Here's where Copilot comes in, because when you need to review that content later, you can just ask Copilot to summarize a section of notes, maybe a page, or a selection of text into a shareable format. So whether you're studying alone or in a group, compiling notes just got faster so you can jump right into your study session. Copilot here in OneNote also can help create study guides, using your notes so you can get the best out of your study time. Not only that, but it can create questions based on your notes and have Copilot strategically create practice problems that cover a single page of notes or an entire term's worth of the subject. Let's talk about Word. Sometimes the hardest part of an essay or an assignment is actually getting started. But in Word, you can have Copilot create a study guide outline based on any subject at any level. You can then refine those ideas to add your own to begin writing faster than ever. As with all skills, good writing takes practice, and writing under pressure can make exams even more difficult. So if this is the case for you, you can have Copilot draft sample questions on any of your subjects. And the more questions you practice, the better prepared you'll be for your timed exam. Now, just to be clear, Copilot is an amazing tool, but it's not all that Word can do. Features like Microsoft Editor will review your assignments, essays, and reports for tone, formality, and grammar. So you will always have the best quality documents every time. And if you want a template to get a head start on any assignment, you can use a variety of premium templates found at create.microsoft.com too. So all these together, along with Copilot, you will write like a pro and breeze through exams in no time at all. Oh, and don't forget that you can use Copilot with other apps in Microsoft 365 too. Check out this video here if you want to know more. You can generate a PowerPoint presentation outline instantly with Copilot. You can visualize data in Excel, and on top of it all, you can generate eye-catching images using your own words in Microsoft Designer. So there you have it. Microsoft 365 is here to save the day and your study sessions. With Copilot's AI magic, you can go from, there's too much to do, to ready to rock in no time. Whether you're sifting through notes in OneNote, bossing an essay in Word, or crafting epic presentations in PowerPoint, Copilot has your back, helping you to get stuff done faster so you can ace those exams and still have time for the fun stuff. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more content like this. Ciao.